guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking and Loving, where we cook with love. Today I'm going to show you how to make a fantastic dish. Now this dish in particular has different names. Now this dish, my dad will be very happy because it's like one of his favourites, and obviously it's one of mine because I like every single food in Italy. Sigla. So what we're going to be making today, we're going to be making frittella. Now basically my dad is from a town in southern Italy called Brindisi, and frittella has many different names there. For example, fritte, so fritte no frittella, calzone fritte, panzerotti, and many others, but technically they're all the same. Now the ingredients are, for the dough we need 1 kilogram of flour, 00 type, 20 grams of fresh yeast, 50 grams of lard or extra virgin olive oil, 20 grams of salt, 1 teaspoon of honey, and about half a liter of water. Now for the filling and frying, we need tomato, extra virgin olive oil, oregano, mozzarella, and ham as needed, and obviously oil to fry. Okay, so what is frittella? Frittella is basically a fried dough, savory. Inside is tomato, ham, and cheese. This is one of my all-time favorite dishes, so I'm very excited to make it. Sorry. In the past, I made dough using my hands, and I said that you can use a machine if you have one. I'm using this machine because it's much easier and speeds things up times 2. On top of that, I have a new chef. Yes! I want to introduce you to Brandon, ladies and gentlemen. Brandon, come on. He is very excited to be in this Cooking and Loving video.
I like Cooking and Loving.
Yes, hello Cooking and Loving. Now Brandon, before we continue, I need to ask you a question. Do you like cheese?
Yes.
And do you like ham?
Yes.
Do you like tomatoes?
No.
Oh, okay. That's fine because you won't taste that anyway. So once again, I am making the classic frittella, and which is basically, tomatoes, fresh mozzarella that's dried, and cooked ham. Now, it's ultimately up to you what you want to put, because you can put anything like meat, different cheeses, different hams, olives, black olives, anything you want. So it's up to you. You can customize it any way you want. But I'm going to start off by opening it and add in the flour. Excuse me, Brandon.
Whoa, that's so cool.
Try not to make a mess. So, okay, I have. Okay, Brandon, you're gonna put in the water. And you hold this, but little by little, okay? Little by little, I'll tell you. Okay, add. Whoa. Keep going, I'll tell you to stop. As usual, don't add all the water all in one go, little by little, until obviously you finish the water. Alright, I'm going to turn this off, lift this, and now I'm going to add in the honey or sugar. And sugars.
There is some mixing. Whoa, keep on. I don't know if they come out.
For a couple minutes.
I don't know. Yeah.
You're a good chef, Brandon. You're a good chef. You should be here more often.
Mixing.
Okay, now, one second, Brandon. Now I'm gonna add in the yeast.
Yeah, do all of it. I don't know.
Yes, you put all of it. But to make it easier to combine with the different ingredients, I'm gonna add just a little bit of water. Brandon. No, into there. So no. Give me. You put this there, and then I add in the water. Just a little bit, just to melt it. Okay, and mix. No, mix with this.
Oh, might do this.
Yeah.
Alright. my hands are getting simple. No.
Is it melted?
Yeah.
Okay, you can add it in now. Everything.
Dad, you feel I'm a good chef.
Yes, you're a good chef.
Yes.
And I know how to do it.
Okay, very good. Close.
In this way.
Yeah. And close it. Oh, okay, I'll hold it and close. Close. And let's continue mixing.
And it's good. It's good. All of it in.
Okay, so I'm gonna add in the lard. Okay, Brandon, you add in the remaining of the water. All of it.
Ooh, so cool.
Okay.
Let's start mixing again.
If I...
What cheese are we mixing?
cheese. That's not cheese.
What is that? What is that?
It's lard.
Ooh, that's a good name.
Okay, so as you can see, the humidity has started coming out. So this will be a good time to add in our salt. Okay, I'm gonna open this up. Okay, Brandon, add in the salt. All of it. All of it.
Oh, sorry.
Okay. And continue mixing at different speeds until it's a nice consistency and very smooth. Like you touch it and it's like smooth. Okay, so as you can see, this is the right consistency you want. I'm gonna transfer this to a work surface because it's quite a lot of dough to work with and shape into a bowl. So okay, can I just show you? Like I just picked that up without the hard work of trying to remove it. Look how clean it is, and look how clean this is. It's brand new, basically. So your work surface. Are you ready to work with the ball?
Yay!
Okay, he is ready. I'm ready as well. So this is almost done. You don't really need to work with it that much. You just need to, shape into a ball. Also, can you notice that the fact that I didn't put any flour because this is like unstickable. This doesn't stick to our work surface. So that's exactly what you need. You want to try, Brandon? Strength, come on. Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, do you want me to do it? Okay, I'm gonna make this into a ball. Okay, turn this into a ball. In here.
Okay.
Okay. Cover.
What's that? Okay. Okay. Kind of good. Happy.
Leave this to cover for 30 minutes and then we're basically ready. Okay, so while waiting for the dough to rest, I'm going to now start preparing the condiments. Now, I actually already started preparing the mozzarella. Now, the reason is because mozzarella, when it comes fresh, it's kind of liquid. So what I did was I opened it, I poured out all the liquid, and I started straining all, as you can see here. So I'm trying my best to dry it as much as possible. So that's mozzarella. Now for the tomato sauce. So here we have passata di pomodoro, or tomato sauce as you call it. I'm gonna get a nice pinch of salt. Nice olive oil. And what else? What is this? What is this? A lot of oregano. Okay, Brandon, give it a good mix.
Okay. But remember, not too fast, just gently. Remember, not too fast, because if you do too fast, that's it.
Okay, but not that slow. Do a little bit faster.
It will get dirty. So don't do faster, guys. Do it slowly.
Yes, tips from the pro chef.
And it takes a long time for to mix. Like, wasn't even mixing. Okay, that's it.
So here we have our final condiment, the cooked ham. I just shredded it into pieces. So we have the ham, mozzarella, and the beautiful tomato sauce. So now we are ready to create this masterpiece of fritella. Yeah. Okay, so we are ready to continue. What you're gonna do to make it easier for yourself, split this into 4. Okay, so cover these 3 so they don't dry out. And then what you want to do with the remaining, roll this to 0.5 centimeter to 1 centimeter max. A square or circle doesn't matter because we're gonna shape these anyway. So Brandon, you can start rolling. I'll start for you. Okay, okay, let's go.
Okay, then after Dad, we like it to warm. This part easy. And Danny make it flat.
Yes, Brandon, you need to make it flat.
Can you guys tell me?
Don't worry, keep going. I'll tell you. Okay, do you want to take over?
This one. I can do it and then we
Move this in. Come here, I'll show you. Move this here and move yourself here.
Oh, me. I need to make it flat.
Yeah.
Like we try to break it. Good break it. It means to all over again. So yeah, don't break it. Gently.
Gently, the pro chef says.
Gently. Okay, this looks like our pizza.
Pizza? What do you mean pizza?
Look like.
Okay, yeah, it looks like. No, sure. I want to have some fun too.
Yeah. Hey, look, it looks like pizza. The same.
Okay, let me quickly finish. Okay, so now we are ready to start shaping these. Brandon, I'll show you how to do it because like it's so hard. I'm joking. You just shape.
Well, I can do it wherever I want.
Yeah, wherever you want.
I'm do it here.
No, finish this one though. I'll finish this one.
No.
Wait.
Much better.
Yeah, much better.
When you get out, it's like a circle.
Okay, so let me show you how to make one really quickly. What you're gonna do is just make it a little bit thinner. Okay, so now we have this tomato sauce. Okay, no more than that. A little bit of ham.
And then add Parmesan cheese.
Parmesan cheese. That's mozzarella, Brandon.
I keep forgetting this.
It's okay. This is mozzarella. Do you want to put it on?
Yeah.
Okay, put it on.
My knees are starting to hurt.
And then, second.
I can't stand. No.
He's getting a bit tired. A little bit of oregano if you want.
So tired. I'm gonna go sleep.
Okay, make sure you make sure you close this properly. So with your thumb. You having fun down there? And then with a fork. You want to make you want to close these properly because when they're frying and they're open, everything is gonna come out and you're gonna just be left with a fried dough that might taste good, might not. So this is how you make the frittelle. Obviously, we're gonna make so much more, and then we're gonna be on to the frying. Okay, so I have finished creating these mustard pieces. These are one of the few that are ready to fry. I'm heating up my oil, waiting for it to reach 170 degrees. Once that reaches, 2 or 3 of them inside and fry them until they're nice and golden brown. Then 2 or 3 inside, golden brown, 2 or 3 inside until finished. These are going to be really good. Okay, so 170 degrees, it's reached, so now we can start frying. And one has sunk to the bottom. And there it is. Always be careful when frying because, you know, you never know. Oil splash. See, this is the color you want. So, our masterpiece has finally been done. Thank you, Brandon, for helping me in the kitchen. Now, me and him are very excited and very hungry, so we are obviously going to try it. So this is how it looks like, obviously.
Yeah.
yeah. Okay. Oh, yeah. This is what I'd like to see. Lots of cheese.
I ate it.
Now, some of these have capers. Some of these have capers and some of these have just a normal ham and cheese. And I also made some bigger ones, but I mean, they are perfect. The dough is very, very soft. Like, look how soft this is. Show you. But they're good, Brandon. He liked it, I liked it. My mum and my dad definitely deserve this because, like, they're so good. But I hope all of you love this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, smash the like button and notification bell so you'll be the first person to watch our videos. Alla prossima. Ciao. Obsessed with the song. Obsessed. Okay.